Hi everyone, welcome to Unfinance, and in this video we're going to cover Intro to Fundamental and Technical Analysis. So what is fundamental analysis? It's actually a process of determining a security's intrinsic value by examining financial records. Now, the most common examples of the fundamental analysis are financial ratio, meaning you have to look at ano ba yung asset turnover niya, yung working capital ratio, or ano ba yung debt management ratio ng isang company. Discounted cash flow, so you're looking at yung available cash ng company sa shareholders nito. Enterprise value would capture the total worth of the company, so lahat ng assets ng company, so yun yung enterprise value. And then of course, top-bottom analysis, you're looking at yung overall state ng economy and then going down sa industry and then sa market where the company is actually operating. And then certain rule of thumb in fundamental analysis, number one, if the fair value is actually higher than the market price, then that would, indicate a good buy, meaning the company is still undervalued. So mas mataas yung chances of gains mo. So properly recommended for a buy position. Now, how about fair value is less than the market price? Now, usually the recommended position is actually to sell because the company is actually overvalued. Okay. So how about technical analysis? Now, this one is actually more on evaluating buy and sell opportunities for a security by analyzing price patterns and volume trends. Now, the most common methods are price trends. So you have to look at the average price, let's say the highs and the lows. You have to look at the chart patterns. Is it going down trend, sideways, or moving down trend? Price volume patterns, so titingnan mo kung meron bang divergence or convergence ng price to volume. And of course, yung support and resistance level. So tinitingnan mo dito yung floor and ceiling ng isang stock. Now, in this example, you have to look at the price, the volume, the pattern, and that would give you an idea when to buy. For example, in this case, you have to buy, okay, and the volume is also indicating that the price would be, steadily going uptrend. And at that point, so makikita mo dito sa baba na although merong volume, but it started to, lose its power here. So makikita mo nag-red na yung bar, so that would signal you for a sell. And here for another downtrend of volume, that would signal you for another opportunity to buy, and let's say in the near future sell again for another profit. Okay, so that will be all for this video. Thank you very much for watching, and as always, see you in my next video.